What's going on YouTube? My name is Julius Velasco, and today we're going to talk about the 5 benefits of having a buyer's agent. First of all, if you find this video of value to you at all, feel free to smash that like button as it helps the algorithm grow, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Diving into the video on benefit number 1, we're going to go ahead and talk about you and having representation against a listing side party. Being represented with an agent on the buy side gives you access to more research, accurate pricing of the home that's being listed. Your buyer's agent should be able to give you some of this information and do that research for you before writing your offer. Aside from having that research done for you, you'll also have negotiations, and being represented with negotiations when it comes to repairs or anything pertaining to the contract that's negotiable is something a buyer's agent can do for you. Aside from that, having a buyer's agent will get you the opportunity to view the homes in a scheduled time. Photos and videography offer a great sense of what the house has to offer, but being able to see it with the true eye is one of the better things that you could do when looking for one of the biggest investments in your life. Diving into benefit number 3, your agent should have some resources for you, like contacts to a loan officer,
I need a loan,
escrow companies,
The money will remain in escrow until I
home inspectors, and much more. Benefit number 4 is that we offer more accurate insight to our local market in the area. There are third-party apps out there that do offer a little bit of insight, but it's not as accurate as having an agent do the work for you. Last but not least, we're down to number 5. A buyer's agent will be able to offer you the guidance that you need from contract to close, and even a little bit before that too, offering you a little bit more knowledge and kind of teaching you a little bit of how the real estate process works. I can only tell you the way that I work with my clients, and that's kind of the way I do it. I have a bunch of videos up on the corner that you'll see up there, and it'll teach you a little bit of some of the things that you might experience in the Northern Nevada area. Again, if you find any of this content valuable or helpful, smash that like button for me and contact me if you need any help here in Northern Nevada, whether you're buying or listing your home in the near future or whenever that time comes for you. Down below, I send weekly emails to update my clients and my friends about what's going on in the Northern Nevada market. So if you're not already signed up there, go ahead and click that link and sign up for those. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and until the next video, I will catch you in the next one.